Go ahead and show them a little something. Oh man, this all in one day. Yes, which way to walk around? Yes, sir. Let's spin all the way around here, man. See what's to it, man.
Let them know what y'all doing, man.
Woo-wee. Hold on, man. Hold on. Look at what we done. Hold on, where that music coming from? Let's turn that down a little bit. Yes, sir. We don't want to get copyrighted, but woo! Explain what is going on. What are they looking at real quick?
There's a lot going on here. It's not even, I mean, it's in its works, but basically the motor's been completely disassembled, broken down. It's got a scat crank, JE pistons, aggressive comp cam, custom sheet metal intake. This throttle body's a 99mm AccuFed off of it'd be off of a 5.0 Mustang. All air motive fuel system. I mean, the fuel system will handle about 900 horsepower. Whew. The motor's estimated to make about 800 horsepower.
Oh my God! To the wheel? To the wheel?
V6 Buick.
And this, you say it's built all in and everything.
Yeah, I mean, it's just about as much as you could do to it. Yeah.
That intake look crazy over here. Crazy.
We have 80-pound injectors in it right now. We're actually gonna step it up to about 120. We're just fuels everything. So
right.
Step it up. We got the Aeromotive stealth tank. It's going in next few days here. All braided, vibrant performance AN fittings and hoses and.
Got the work. So who car? This your vehicle?
This is our Casper Performance shop car.
Oh, this the shop car?
Actually, this one was one of the first turbo Buicks in the 11s back in the early 90s.
Yeah. Oh, so y'all was playing around with it.
It's only got about 11,000 original miles on it.
So it was straight track down there only.
Yeah, basically rolled off the factory, started putting the chip in, messing with the fuel pressure, the boost, turning it up, and then from there forth, it was just a race car most of its life.
Oh man.
And it still, holds its originality in the inside. Everything's original on the inside.
Right. You got roll cage in there and everything?
No cage. We're probably gonna do a half cage. So we're gonna need something.
Right.
We're definitely going a little bit more aggressive than what was previously in it. So.
Woo. What was the quickest it ever been?
This one was in the 10s.
In the 10s?
Yeah. Now we're hoping to be in the 8s.
Okay. Well, low 10s, high 10s?
It was mid 10s.
Mid 10s?
1040.
Oh, that thing was quick. Yeah. This thing looked clean as hell, man, if y'all could see it. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see the biter and everything back here, too. Woo-wee. This was worth the trip, gang. This was worth the trip.
Told you.
Hey, look, I hopped clean in and got clean out here. Like, man, look. I'm like, look, I done been moving around. I got to go back and forth. I'm like, I'm going to come on do what I got to do. It is what it is. I need the footage. Woo! Look at the interior in this thing. Oh my God. All clean. I like this. That's factory dash?
Yeah, factory. Oh, no, that dash is not factory. I'm sorry.
Dang, that one look decent. I like that.
Those are all video gauges. We installed that here.
I like the way that dash is and everything with them gauges. Yeah. A1. Got the center joint too. Yes, sir. Hey, this interior is clean. It still smells good up in here. Y'all see even the door jamb joints. These demonstrations crispy too.
Original paint is a rare option car. It's an 86, all white with the black package, black trim package. So it's pretty rare.
Woo, this thing, man. What rear end? The factory Grand National. See if I could get up under here and show y'all a little something. Get it a little bit more brighter for y'all. Y'all see it though, man.
Yeah, we're gonna stick with the 8.5 posi. We're gonna be going a little more aggressive on the axles, maybe some Voyager axles, mess with the gearing a little bit, but we're more than confident that we're gonna get this 8.5 in the 8s.
Right. Oh, so yeah, that's the goal with it now, is to go in the 8s with it. That's the goal with it. Woo, man, y'all gotta let me know when y'all put this thing together.
Grand National crate motor right here, ready to roll.
Oh yeah, this thing definitely suited and booted. What's something like this go for? What's all done for the? What's all done to
With
this?
the turbo, we retails about $8,999. I headed down with the World of Wheels 2 weeks ago. I'm letting it go for $8,500. Ready to go, man. Ready to drop in. Ready to turnkey. It's got a TA49 turbo. It'll make about 400 horsepower. Compared to, it's not bad compared to stock.
Right.
20 over. It's got a comp cam, stock crank, stock rods, upgraded pistons, but.
So if they want to go a little faster with this, you just need a bigger
faster.
turbo then or something probably, or just leave it like
To be
that.
able to handle a bigger turbo, we recommend this one.
Okay, what size is that
For
one?
reliability, this is the TA49.
Okay. So that thing kind of a little bigger than the factory one, but it's spool up and
It's a lot quicker of a spool. It flows at about 58 CFM, so it's compared to stock, which is only about 32.
Right.
It flows almost twice as much air.
Whew, y'all see it. Hey, look, pretty motor sitting dead still for y'all if y'all want it right there, man. Look, all this info is gonna be in the description, man. I'm gonna see y'all got any business cards or something. All right.
Get you a business card.
Yeah,
now. You
yeah.
can scan the QR code. Check us out online.
Yeah, hell yeah, just so, cause I gotta make it to where it's easy for anybody to contact or get a scene, but y'all see it, man. Look, headers all clean and everything on here ready to go.
These are 22-degree jet coating, so they'll never crack, peel, nothing. You don't ever gotta worry about it.
I see them joints definitely look shiny. Yeah, this motor's super clean, man. Look, I've been around too much stuff today, man. Everybody trying to make me spend a lot, man. Look, Gucci, hey, what's up, Gucci? You telling them what's done to this or what?
Let me go, all right.
Oh, he say cut him loose. Cut him loose.
Here's little amigo. I love
Ooh-wee.
I love the color.
Oh yeah. This
I mean, you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with this color.
this definitely is that unique color. This thing
Oh,
sexy.
sure.
Sexy.
It came in, about a couple hours ago. It was running real rough, had a rough idle. Fuel pressure was a little too low. We got that tuned in for him, running about 42, 43 pounds of fuel, or PSI. We got his stock mass airflow was junk. We ended up going with the later model LT1 with translator, which I'm tuning right now.
Oh, that's the that's the MAF thing or something like
It's
that,
the
right?
translator, which basically allows us to run the LS style mass airflow.
Right.
Which flows 10 times better than what these cars, what anything else on the market for these cars.
Right.
So I'm pretty confident it'll be running a lot better than when it came in. It had a bad hesitation. For the future, we're gonna end up going with the cold case radiator foam. We're gonna be upgrading the turbo and then the fuel system.
Ooh-wee, Gucci, man, my phone always going off. But man, y'all see, man, look, Gucci them ain't playing no games, man. Hey, you say, hey, you ain't trying to struggle, you just ready to hit it and let it go ahead and spool and go crazy, huh? Gucci ain't playing no games, y'all, man. So look, y'all know where to come, man. Y'all see where we at. Plenty Buicks all around, man. Y'all know what time it is. They all out here. Hey, I'm just sad I ain't in Black Beauty right now, man. She would have been around her whole little family, just loving it, just loving the whole environment, Woo-wee, man. These things out here mounted too. Y'all see them, man. The Faugi's on there. I ain't even show them the center caps. We forgot to show them. We forgot to show them the center caps, man.
You gotta have to show him. It's gonna spin on its own.
Ooh, okay. Yes, sir. Y'all see them all around too, man. Look, the 96 back there clean. Another one in the works of doing. Look, got that good fuel sitting around. Look how clean this motor is. Y'all, this how they start out, man. It's crazy. You just work and build a little progress here and there, but y'all can already see the type of time on what he moving with and everything. Like, just look how the outside is right there, and then look underneath the heart plant right now. Look underneath the heart plant right now. Start first with the heartbeat. Go with, hey, all go, then worry about the show. You know what time it is, man. Look, ooh-wee. He about to get this thing. But look, we all out here, man. That damn train don't want to stop, do it? Y'all see? Damn. I didn't even realize this was a GNX, y'all. Damn, I'm tripping. I done disrespected this demonstration, y'all. This is a GNX, man. And the works are getting rebuilt. Look at the number. 489. This is nuts. I didn't even realize this, y'all. This is a GNX with the fenders and everything, man. Numbered car and everything. The fender flares and everything. He just about to get it back and bring it back to life. Once he do something like it's GNX badges and everything, that's crazy. Once he bring this thing back to life, it's gonna be worth a real big bag. Hey, this a true GNX?
It's actually a clone, bro.
Oh, this a clone?
My father actually owns 2 several GNX.
Oh, I'm like, damn, he got the numbers and everything in here.
Yeah, it's another motor. We did all the motor work in this car.
Yeah, I see it looks clean.
It came in that blew a rod bearing and 8 the timing chain, so we got them right. Everything's fresh.
Man, it look, I sold them underneath there how crispy it look, and I see he in the works of doing everything to it.
It's going to our body shop next. We're working on getting it prepped. It's going flat black, best part.
Flat black? Oh, he going flat back?
Give it a little different of a look.
Man, I don't know. He should keep it all. Hey, ain't nothing like that juiciness to me. Ain't nothing like that juiciness, man. Talk him into going back juicy, man. Tell him to go juicy. Tell him to watch the video and look at the comments. Y'all let him know in the comment section right now. Flat back it or go juicy, man. We know, hey, you always want to separate, but you can't separate greatness. Like, it's just, you gotta leave that be. It's just what it is. It's just what it is, man. Get that thing juicy, man. Don't go flat, please.
Next vlog, we're gonna bring the GNX on. Tell them.
Oh.
We're gonna bring the GNX and Sinister GN.
Oh yes, sir. Hey, next Sunday day. Look, we out here, man. Look, I'm gonna be out in Black Beauty, man.
We need that Coolie juice too, man.
Oh yeah. I ain't even had nothing on deck, man. My bad, man. My bad, man. Y'all already know, man. I've been moving and grooving. I ain't even got the Coolie juice. I gotta bring that out next time and everything. Look, it's gonna be lit, man. Buick's out here, man. Y'all see the type of movement we on, man. Look, I'm out here with the right demonstration on and everything. And like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description on where to go get this hoodie at. It's gonna be right there. Y'all click it, boom, purchase. You want it, bam. Be part of the Coolie gang with the Black Beauty movement. I'm all moving fast, talking booty and everything. Look, tweaking, man. But look, man, look, they out here, man. I hope y'all enjoying the footage and love with. Hey, man, definitely goo up, good looking too, man. Cause look, they made me come on out here and brought the business out. Look, Dan, he ready to get out the Coolie juice or something, man. He like, all right, it's time for something, man. But man, look, we gonna be out here all the time with them getting this Buick footage and everything like that, man. Look, this was all love out here. Y'all see it's another one in the cut, man. Look, you in the wrong place today. I'm sorry. I see you looking mean and ready to grab. You in the wrong place. It's just, man, look, Black Beauty if she find out I came here without her, she gonna be mad, man. Hopefully she'll see the video, man. But hope y'all enjoy the footage, man. We out with another video. Y'all already know what time it is. Coolie gang, let's get it.
Hey.